Let's learn English together.
Hello, my friends. What's the weather today? Let's move together and shout, hooray! If it's sunny, hands up high, smile big and touch the sky. If it's rainy, stomp your feet, pitter patter, feel the beat. If it's windy, arms out wide, let them wave from side to side. If it's cloudy, hands on cheeks, look around, don't make a peep. If it's snowy, shake your hands, shiver, shiver where you stand. What's the weather? Let's all say, we love moving every day.
Hi, my friends. Let's draw the weather together. It's time to draw something sunny. First, let's draw a big, bright sun. Now, under the sun, let's draw a happy flower, standing in place. And don't forget the green grass. When the sun is out, we say, sunny. Let's try drawing a rainy day. First, draw a fluffy cloud up high. Now, 1, 2, 3. Raindrops fall down. What do we need when it's raining? Yes, a bright umbrella. Yellow and orange. We did it. The weather today is rainy. What's next? A windy day. Let's draw a tall tree first, strong and brown. Now some green leaves all around. The wind begins to blow, and the leaves go. That's it. It's a windy day. What's next? Yes, a cloudy day. Let's draw one big fluffy cloud first. Now some smaller ones below. Here's one more fluffy cloud. There's no sun, just clouds all around. That's right, it's a cloudy day. Brr, what's the weather now? Yes, it's a snowy day. Let's draw a snowman first. Now, add eyes, a nose, and little stick arms. Snowflakes are falling. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's cold and white. It's a snowy day. You did it! You drew 5 kinds of weather. Sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, and cloudy. Great job, little artist. Want to draw it again?